On Tuesday, August 27th, your child is bringing home another review worksheet or homework from second grade. And this will be the common theme for tomorrow's homework as well, up until Thursday when we start our first lesson. So here, it's very similar to yesterday's homework, but now they're looking for thirds or 3 equal parts. On the back, we're again reviewing patterns and finding patterns. However, I do want to note a couple of things. The patterns are not as easy to detect as yesterday. For example, let's look at number 3. I see that it goes from 1 to 2, which I know is an increase in 1. We're going up 1 number. Now, though, if I was to follow that same +1 pattern, I would get to 3, which I don't see. 2 plus 2 is 4. So again, I need to keep checking. Is 4 plus 2 7? No. This time I'm increasing by 3. So now I'm seeing that it's counting. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to see if this one is +4. And it is. So then with 11, I would add 5 this time to get 16. And then I would keep continuing with my pattern. To end the homework, there are 3 word problems, which are second grade word problems. Now, your child will learn in 3rd grade a strategy called the cube strategy. If your child had Miss Sweeney last year, I also know that they did something very similar when reading word problems. So we circle the numbers, we underline the question, and we box the keywords. Those are the 3 most important steps. So I did the first one for us. There are 7 students with red shirts on today and 5 students with green shirts on. How many have on red and green shirts together? This is a keyword that usually tells me I'm going to be adding. So I know that 7 have on red and 5 have on green. I add and I find out that there are 12 altogether. Now, what is very important is that we solve and label. And in this case, we need a sentence. So how many have on red and green shirts together? 12 students have on red and green altogether. So we definitely want a number sentence, a word sentence, and if needed, a picture to help us evaluate and solve.